everyone! So are you a beginner who wants to feel fresh, relaxed and ready to move? Then this 10-minute warm-up is perfect before any workout or just to feel better in your body. So what are we going to do? We'll do low impact moves to loosen up the joints, wake up the muscles and boost energy. See, it's great for stress which is stored in these muscles, stiffness, and it's great for starting your day or even in the evening time. No pressure, just very simple moves to help your body feel light, open, flexible and calm. See, research also shows that warm-ups can improve focus, mobility and reduce stress. And your coach today is Sunil sir with 15 plus years of helping beginners feel strong and safe in their workouts. And guess what? We do everyday free live workouts on this channel, live on YouTube, every morning and evening. So make sure to hit subscribe so that you get everyday access and tap the bell icon. And remember to stay till the end of this video for a surprise gift. And let us begin. All right, sir. अभी क्या करेंगे?
So we are going to start with full body mobility.
Okay.
So we'll start with shoulder mobility. Yeah. So can you come this side?
Sir दिखाएंगे पहले.
So we'll start with shoulder rotation. So you're going to move your hand all the way up and down. So we're going to do 12 counts of this, and after that we're going to do the same other way around. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Let's
12,
go.
12 or 6, 6?
Yeah, 12, 12.
Okay.
So hand has to go all the way up. Keep your elbow straight and cross it. Yes, 1. Slowly, slowly. 3. Slower the better. 4. Very good. Come on.
Breathing के साथ.
5. Exhale as you come up. 6. Very nice. 7. 8. 4 more. 1. 2. Very good, Priyanka. 3. And 4. Now let's do the same thing other way around. Come on, take your hand all the way behind. 1. Feel it on your shoulder. 2. Very nice. 3. 4. Lovely. All the way above your head. 5. 6. Good job. 7. Keep going. 8. 9. 3 more go. 1. Look straight all the time. 2. And 1 more last one. Very good. Now the next one we're going to do again for the shoulder. You're going to keep your hands in the front, palm facing each other. Take your hand all the way behind as much you can, and then again bring it back in the front. So we are going to do same 12 counts of this. Okay, Priyanka? Come. Put your palm facing each other, shoulder level, and take your hand all the way behind. Stretch. Feel the stretch on your chest and then bring it back. So take deep breath as you take your hand back and breathe out. 2. Keep going. 3. Very good. So inhale by nose and exhale by mouth. 4. Very nice. 5. Keep going. 6. Feel the stretch. 7. Very good. 8. Give me 4 more. 1. Very good, Priyanka. 2. Keep going. 3. And 1 more last one. 4. Very good. Just shake your hands.
If
Very
anything is not clear, you can type in the comment section and we will respond. So if anything is not clear, whatever we are doing, please write in the comment section.
So the next one, we're going to work on your hip joint. So the legs has to be slightly shoulder width apart. Keeping your hands on your waist, and you're going to move your hip in a circle. So same thing, we're going to do 12 counts of one direction, then the clock and anti-clockwise 12 counts. Okay, Priyanka? Come.
Okay.
So legs slightly wider than your shoulders, toes slightly pointing out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Toes pointing out.
Yeah. So hands on your waist and move your hip and look straight all the time. So the body has to stay straight, not to lean forward. It's just the hip is moving in a circle. So same thing, we're gonna do 12 counts and then anti-clockwise 12 counts. Very
So
good.
this looks
Look
like
straight.
a dance step.
Look straight. It's like a dance only. We are just trying to move all the joints, before exercising. Very good.
Sir, इसमें anybody should be careful या like कोई भी ये कर सकता है?
Yeah, this one can do anybody, like people who have any kind of injury, people who have any age, they can do this exercise. So this is basically, we are just trying to mobilize all the joints. So the mobilization before exercising helps to do any exercise or any activity, because as you're moving your joint, the joints become more lubricated, so there will be no stress on the joints.
Okay.
Very good. Very nice. So this is, we are going to work on your individually on the hip joint. So we are going to just move your leg up and sideways, alternate legs. Yeah, so lifting the knee up and taking the leg to the side and bring it back parallel to the other leg. Okay, come. So look straight all the time. Lift your knee up, take it outside and then bring it back. Yes, 1. Take it a little higher. 2. Very nice. 3. Keep your chin up, look straight. 4. Very nice. So breathe out as you take your leg up. 5. Lovely. 6. Keep going. 7. Very nice. Keep breathing. 8. We'll do 4 more. Come on, Priyanka. 1. Lovely. Come on. 2. Breathe easy. 3. And last one. Come on. Other leg. Well done. Good job. Very good. So this is like working your hip joint to get mobile. So you can do like squat or lunges or any exercise will be very easy for you. So the next one we are going to work on your the waistline. So you're going to keep your legs wider as possible, toes pointing out. So slowly you're going to lean to the side as much as possible and then slowly coming up. We'll do alternate right now. In this, not to lean forward. It's not like going forward. It's about just going lateral, slowly down. If you can see, my hand is going sliding down and then coming up. Say this. Yeah, so it's not going all the way forward and try to touch your ankle. It's not about touching the ankle, it's just sliding, because we are just trying to mobilize your joints.
And this will stretch the love handle?
Love handles. Come on, toes slightly pointing out. Yeah, so raise your hand and slowly slide your other hand on your leg and then come up and breathe out. Yeah, so as you go down, inhale. Yes, as you come up, breathe out. Feel the stretch on your love handle on your sides. Very good. Keep going. 4. Lovely. Come on, go down. 5. Yeah, look straight all the time. The body has to be straight, erect. 6. Very good, Priyanka. Keep breathing. 7. Lovely. Come on, slowly. Feel the stretch. 8. Very nice. 9 and last 2 more, Priyanka. Look straight. Chin has to stay up. Inhale down. As you come up, breathe out. Last one. Very good, Priyanka. Well done. Good job. Very good. So as you see, you're feeling like your slightly heart rate going up, body is becoming more mobile.
Yes.
So your body is actually getting ready for the exercise without getting any injuries.
Correct.
Yeah. So the next one, we're going to work on your ankle. So it's just very simple, just rotating your ankle. So slowly, if you have some balance issue, you can just hold on somewhere. You can just move your ankle, rotate for 10 times and then again other way around 10 times. So we're going to do both the legs. Come.
So ankle rotation.
Yeah, ankle rotation. So the clockwise and anti-clockwise. So you can keep your knee bent or you can keep your legs straight, is up to you. Very good, Priyanka. Good. Same thing
Sir,
we'll
why
do
do
other
we
way
do
now.
ankle rotation?
So when you're doing any exercise like any jumping exercise or squatting or lunges, your ankle has to be mobile. If your ankle is very stiff and when you try to do all the jumping or any impact exercise, then the injury comes. So this mobility always helps to have the lubrication in the joint, so there is no impact or there is no stress on the joint. So we try to mobile all the joints. Very
I think
nice.
this is also balancing exercise.
Yeah, very good. So the last one, we're going to work on your the lower back. Yeah, so lower back. So people who have lot of like pain in the back, even they can also should do it. So it's about just the range. So keeping the legs again apart, shoulder width apart. So from there we're going to just slightly leaning forward and then slowly rounding your back and coming up. So people who have no issues, they can go all the way down and then coming up with your round back very slowly. Otherwise you can just go as per how much your body is allowing you to go forward. Come, Priyanka.
Okay.
So this is the way we are actually working on your every disc of your lower back and the middle back and upper back. So as you go down, inhale and then round your back and slowly come up and breathe out. Very good. Slowly going from your lower back and slowly coming up. Every disc has to stretch. Feel the stretch on your disc. Come on. Inhale. And when you're doing any mobility exercise or any exercise, try not to hold your breath, because holding the breath makes the muscle stiffer and joint stiffer. So keep breathing. Very nice. Slowly. So inhale as you go down, Priyanka. And come up and breathe out. Very nice. One more time. Go down slowly. Inhale. And come up. Very good. Good job.
I can also feel in hamstring.
Yeah, so as you go forward, so the hamstrings are pulling. So you're feeling it on your hamstring, glutes and the lower back, because these are all connected muscles.
Correct.
Yeah, very good.
All right, you just finished the workout and you made your body stronger rep by rep. So congratulations on that. See, but real change, that does not stop when the workout ends. It continues on your eating plate. See, strength training boosts your muscles and metabolism, but we have to complement it with right food. See, food is the fuel that recovers the body, that balances the hormones, and it helps us burn fat all day long. And that's why we have created easy, science-backed diet plans to match your fitness goals. See, whether you are training for fat loss, PCOS support, diabetes support, muscle toning, or for more energy, we have the diet plans for that. Your workout gives you strength, and food, when combined, will give you perfect results. See, together, both these things, they transform your body from the inside out. So do not stop here. Tap the link in the description to download your first 21 days free weight loss diet plan. This is designed to work with your workouts. And make sure to hit subscribe on this channel and stay with us for powerful gym and nutrition routines every single day. So your body already knows how to change. We are just here to feed it with each rep and with each right bite. Okay, see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye, and mention in the comment section if you want us to make more videos on anything that you are facing in particular. So I want to read all those comments on what should we make next.